today we're in the biology lab, and in today's biology experiment, we will be dissecting a goat's kidney to find out its parts and also structures. Without further ado, let's get into it. As you can see here, we have dissected the goat's kidney, and we have found parts of the kidney such as the cortex, pelvis, ureter, capsule, and also the medulla. Now we're adding hydrogen peroxide into the kidney structure so that we can see the nephrons. Okay, so we're done with the observation, and we found out that we can see the external and also internal parts of the kidney. We can also see the presence of the nephron by adding hydrogen peroxide. I think from this observation, it forms a more clear visualization of the structures of the kidney in our body that function as an ultrafiltration and also selective absorptions in our blood. Thank you!